Hey guys, so I bought a drone. It was used model. It's a Mavic Pro, but it's in great condition. So I'm gonna go try to learn how to fly this thing. We're gonna go down to the river and see if we can figure it out and hopefully get some good shots. So let's see what we can do. Very happy with me. I haven't started it up in a couple days here. It's the weekend, so I've just let it sit. It's only about -10 though, so she'll get over it. So I haven't really gotten to try this drone out much. I only got it a couple days ago. I did, like a dummy, try to fly it at night for pretty much my first time, and something went wrong. I lost GPS signal. It was windy, the wind took it, the drone flew away on me. I had to run out into a field in my socks in the snow and manually fly it back to me, and it was really scary. Like, I thought I was gonna lose it, so I'm really hoping that today everything goes well. I'm a total beginner at this. I'm actually a beginner at making videos in general, but fingers crossed that we have a good experience today and that this drone doesn't end up on the river and I don't go for a swim. So let's see what happens, I guess. So here we are. Pretty cool place to come hang out. It'd be super cool if the train came by when we were doing this, but I doubt that'll be the case. Anyways, let's see if we can get this drone flying good. It's a little windy, it's not too bad, so I don't know. It's a learning experience for me, so we'll see how she goes. All right, I got it. I just calibrated my compass with the Mavic Pro here. I'm all set up. It says, you can see it, ready to go. Here is the drone there. So let's go see if we can get some cool videos. Okay, well, I'm being a big baby because I'm just so scared I'm gonna lose this thing. So I don't want to fly it too far away from me. Apparently it says you can fly it up to 7 kilometers away. Yeah, I just don't trust myself right now, so I feel pretty good. We took her for a little flight. We had no problems. I got to get better at this thing so I can, you know, trust myself a little more and get some better footage of, you know, this and being up at the lake, you know, getting some good drone videos. So anyways, I think that's it for today. Also, I realized it's like -15 outside and my hands are so cold. My fingers, I should have brought gloves. So anyways, I think I'm gonna pack this guy up and head on out of here. Thanks for watching. So that was kind of cool. I was packed up. I was just leaving here, and then I saw a train there coming in from the west, and I said, okay, I better go and just try to shoot it a little bit. And I got it a little bit. Like I said, I'm so new to this, and it's the thought of losing this drone still scares me. It's still quite precious to me. I've only had it a few days, so yeah, I hope that this was still kind of cool. I'm definitely going to be improving my skill at drone flying and getting a lot, you know, cooler videos. I'll be going higher, moving faster, all that stuff. But like anything, I got to ease into it, or else if I go 0 to 100, I'm just going to smash this drone, and then no more drone, because I'm not going to spend the money to get another one. So anyways, thanks again for watching.